Hey, welcome back to my channel. King Sam here, and it is not a typical video. This is just a video of me sharing my thoughts about a particular matter that I just came across. So a lot of you might have known that I am all for using AI. I've made multiple videos about AI in creative space, the use of AI, the future of AI. But something happened recently that actually got me thinking about something. All of you might have known that YouTube recently changed their policy, and you can opt out of using third-party softwares, like using your data and your videos to train their AI models. And I came across the message today, notification today for it, and I started thinking to myself, hmm, am I comfortable with this? And it's very weird, you understand, because I made a video about AI in the creative space, using of AI, and now I'm hitting the reality that the video that I have done and the work that I have done and amount of energy and effort I've put into a lot of these videos might most probably be used to train an AI can do it half the time without it's weird. Let me just put it that way. It's very, very weird. Because it's easy to just sit down and say, wow, AI is good, AI is amazing, AI is brain busting. How does Photoshop do this? How do After Effects do this? Sora video generation is crazy. But I've never been in the position when it's actually my data that is being used. And I think right now I understand the way a lot of artists are coming from, and a lot of creatives are coming from that. It's your hard end. It's like a baby, understand? Like a baby, you have done a lot of things to make it like best possible video you can. And one company just trains an AI in milliseconds and it can replicate your entire work in split seconds. It's very, very weird. And I just want to know you guys' thoughts about this change that YouTube is making. Personally, I think I'm just going to agree for this thing, for the AI is to be trained using my data, because so don't say it. Because I believe the future of the world is going towards AI, and I not be feel confident, or I feel more like a hypocrite if I'm using AIs daily for my work and I don't I don't let's say give back, or I don't allow people to train AI using my data, because the AIs I'm using now are trained from other people's data. But actually, that doesn't excuse the fact that it feels wrong. Even me personally, I've been skeptical about it. I've been thinking about it all day. Just let me make a video. Normally, we make After Effects content on this channel, but this is just something I always do, sit down in front of the camera and talk about. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you believe that videos on YouTube and people's content that they work so hard to create should be used to train AIs to replace the people that are making the content? Or do you think that creative should unanimously opt out of this decision? So let me know what you're thinking in the video description, and I'll answer your messages, video comments, and just see what I think. If you want me to do more of this kind of videos where I just sit down and talk about what's going on with me and everything, let me know in the comment section also. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, everybody that's watching this video. I love you guys, and God bless you. Bye-bye.